How to download apps on your Windows PC. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's get started. First, just open up your search bar and search for Store. After you search for Store, Microsoft Store will pop up. Now tap on it. Now most of the apps that we'll use will download from Microsoft Store. Now depending on your internet speed, it might take some time to load. After it loads, you will see the games available. You can download games from here. This is the homepage of Microsoft, store. So you can check it out. You can see all the apps here, different apps, games, and so much more. You can, go to different sections here. You can go to apps. You can go to gamings. You can go to the internet entertainments section. Here you will see different apps here. Now, like LinkedIn, you can see, Threads, TikTok, Adobe Photoshop, so much more. You can see paid and you can see free apps. Now you can see gamings here. You will get the games here. These are also paid and also free available. So you can download whichever you want. So from here, how you can download one is, let me show you. First, let us just explore all of these. So here are the games. This is the entertainment section. Now, this section has all of the entertainment purpose related, movies and so much more. So you can download Netflix from here and TikTok. So let us just install Netflix. So just open up the app that you want to download and you will see the blue option that says Get. Just tap on it, and after you tap on it, you might have to confirm the download process. So as you can see, it's getting ready. Now, after checking dependencies and doing all of its stuff, it will start downloading. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you download apps on your Windows. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more. And while I say that, it's already downloaded. So now you can launch it, you can pin it to start and do what you want. And that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.